Hello everyone and welcome to Smarty Tech Fizz. Today I'm not just showing you how to code, I'm showing you how to build with a superpower. We're using Cursor.AI to build a user management REST API with Golang in record time. No face, no fluff, just pure efficiency. Let's dive in.
Before starting, we need the hero of the day, that is Cursor. So first, go to Cursor's official website and download it. If you have already used VS Code, that will feel very familiar to you. And even if you have used any IDE, don't panic. You will actually like it more, or maybe not. Then you can easily use it, because obviously that is going to make your work easy. That what we want, right? So let's see. It is downloading. So once it is downloaded, then log in or sign up if you have not already logged in. So I have already an enterprise version of it. You can buy your plan if you want, any plan, whatever plan you want, and logged in through your email ID. So it's downloaded it. So once it installed, then logged in using your email ID. I have already an enterprise version of it. So let's start with something with a blank project. I will use this folder to create all the projects related to this series. So before starting, you have to make sure indexing is enabled. So now it's installed. So now most important step, that make sure code base indexing is on. So for this you have to go to cursor settings, and you can go to indexing, and if it is on, that means in code base indexing is on. So indexing means Cursor reads your entire project, so it can give context aware suggestions, not just random code. So this is what we want from Cursor. It will, if you have already created a old project that you have created like manually or somewhere else, so you don't have to worry. You just import it here. It will start indexing it, and you can search anything, whatever you want. It will search throughout the project, index every file, and will let you know whatever you want to know throughout the project, right? So now you can import your existing project. It will start indexing that one, or we can start with a new one. So I have created a new one. Now let me show you something that most developers don't use, that is the .cursorrules, which is the secret sauce of our developing environment. So there are two things, whether you want to create a .cursor files, or there are some other ways to provide a rules to the cursor. So what our cursor rules are? This file tells Cursor how you want your code to be written. Think of it like setting rules for your AI assistants, like clean architecture, error handling, how you want to create the structures or classes. So whatever the rules you want to define while creating a project, you will define here. So you can create a cursor rule file at a root folder, or you can go to rules and skills and create a new rule. So you can create a new rule, as I have created already a rule, that is I have defined here, and I have put a link to this template to the description, so you can copy it for your own project, but make sure to make changes according to your language. I am using here is Golang. If you want, I can put another rules for the other languages as well. I will put for now Golang and Java, and just make sure to make changes according to your languages, your rules. And if you want, you can provide the skills, you can provide the commands. So this is the secret sauce that we are going to present. That is very important part of it, because without this it will start performing very lazy, right? So you have to make sure. So now let's make it simple and sober. So now we have created the rules, that what are the structure should be, what are the architectures we want, what are the clean project structure we want, everything we have defined here. So now let's give a prompt to the cursor. So what we want to create, let's start with some simple thing. Let's say I want a user management API and I am giving a prompt here. So we are using it in a agent mode, okay, and create a project. Let's see how it will create. So if you want, I'll put this prompt as well in the link in the description box. You can find it and you can create your own, and you can use any language. I am using Go here. You want it in Java, you want it in .NET, any other language, whatever you want, you can use it. So I just wanted to create a small project to demonstrate here. In the next video, we will create a full running application. And if you have any suggestion that you want to create, we can create it. So you can see it is writing into many files at once. It is asking us let's wait for a minute, few minutes. So you can see it is creating folders, CMD API as we have defined it, our rules as well. It is creating the internal handlers. Here are controllers, databases, models. Here it is creating everything it will create. Okay. So all the files are created. Now I want it. Now create an API, create routes and test sample requests. All the routes that it has created, it is showing all the list. So central registration on the engine, sample requests are here, and manual curls to verify the request. It has been it is providing us the sample curl request. Fine, now it is done. Now let's see if we are able to create this application within using cursor. So to run this, we have to run the go run command, but we will run it in a wrong manner so that we can identify, we can ask cursor to solve it. Okay, go run. Let's say I am writing this main.go. However, my main.go file is in API folder, you can see here. So in Java as well, we have to run the main function. Here we have to run this main.go file. So it is wrong. We will ask cursor to resolve this. So what is it showing? So it is showing you have to run this command, go run cmd API main.go. So this is how we have to run it. So it is showing 8080 port is already running. We will ask cursor to resolve it as well, because maybe somewhere else my 8080 port is already in use. We'll ask cursor to resolve it. We'll run this command to kill the other process or find the list, or to find the other process where it has been running. Or it is asking us to made some changes. It is asking us to change you can change the port as well. Okay, Okay, run this command then. So it is running. So now I want to use this sample curl, if it is running or not. Go to the terminal and try to run this. But now we are running on 8081, so it is showing it's okay status. Let's say I want to run this curl as well, if it is running or not. So it is running. You can see we are able to create an application within 5 to 10 minutes only. However, it took time for us to resolve this issue, but yes, it is working right now. Cursor is able to solve the problems as well, and yes, it is how it is. We are able to create one application. Now in next video, let's see, let me know what you want to know about it, and we will try to resolve it. Okay,
if you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe in channel Smarty Tech Fizz.